Hello, this is Nedi, your Forex coach. In today's video, we're going to be looking at trading with precision, and knowledge. All right, and this is a series on our profitability discourse over this short period of time. Okay, I would like to share my screen so we can get into it right away. All right, trading with knowledge and precision. And we're going to look at a few definitions. But our focus today on trading with knowledge and precision is correlation of currency pairs. All right, I said it's a series on profitability. And we have been looking at this discourse for some time now. If you're a Forex trader, whether you're a beginner Forex trader, this will make a whole lot of difference in your trading. All right, so correlation of currency pairs is vital that as a Forex trader, you are well acquainted with diverse price regimes and directions among various currency pairs. Okay, so we have different currency pairs that move in a particular direction from the other. And it's important as a Forex trader who wants to remain profitable in the market over time that you have a very clear understanding of these currency pairs and know how to trade them. It's also as important to have a clear understanding of market price, drivers and sentiments to really have a consistent trend of profitability in your trading career. You may have been rightly advised to select, a watch list of currency pairs that you should primarily focus on. As good as that is, that's very, very good. I mean, doing this should be guided by a sound knowledge of correlation of your, choice currency pairs. As a trader, you don't trade all the instruments. You may have, have a short list of the pairs that you want to focus all your attentions on. Maybe decide to trade the major currency pairs at one point or the other. Or you have some people who trade just only the pound, dollar, euro, dollar, and probably gold. All right, whatever your choice of watch list of currency pairs that you want to trade, okay, and that's the reason for that is so that it can be focused. Fundamentally, it can be focused to have an understanding of the fundamentals and the various economic and political informations around those currency pairs that will help you concentrate, get more focus, and have more information in your analysis. And we are saying that in doing this, in selecting those your currency pairs, you need to, be guided by sound knowledge of the correlation of those your currency pairs. Otherwise, you might have, some open positions running against, each other. Some will be running profits while the other will be negative, despite your very assuring analysis. Okay, and we have some school of thoughts. I'm going to show you a list. Here is a list of a few currency pairs that historically move in the same directions, and we see that currencies that move in the same directions, they are positively correlated. They move in the same direction. So we have these examples: the euro dollar, and then the pound dollar pair. They move in the same direction. All right, the euro dollar and the Aussie dollar, they move in the same directions. The Aussie dollar and the Kiwi, they move in the same directions. Again, the dollar, Swiss francs, and then the dollar yen, they move in the same directions. Okay, so if it means that if the pound, if the euro dollar is rising, okay, the exchange rate is rising, the exchange rate of the pound dollar will be doing the same thing. All right, will be rising. Also, if the Australian dollar US dollar pair is rising or is falling, then the NZD USD pair will also be falling. You see, so they move in the same direction. So if one is going up, the other is going up. All right. If one is coming down, the other is coming down. And then also have short lists of the currency pairs that move in opposite directions. And we say that these currency pairs are inversely related. They are negatively correlated. They're negatively correlated. And one of such pairs are the Euro USD and then the USD CHF. AUD USD and the USD CAD, they move in opposite direction. Okay, the GBP USD and the USD CHF, they move in opposite direction. Then the USD JPY and the AUD USD, they move also in opposite direction. So you have it here. You can use correlation to help in managing risk. So that's what we are looking at in managing your risk. For instance, if you have done an analysis on your watch pairs and you are buying Euro USD, for instance, you are buying Euro USD. Whatever may be an analysis you have in the currency pair USD CHF, you can buy it at the same time, because if this one is going up, the other one is coming down. It's an ingredient that you have to integrate in your trading plan, so that it don't work against yourself. It don't frustrate the progress that you are making by your ignorance of this. And you can backtest this, but just check over a period of time. You can see that when these pairs are going up, this other one is coming down. When these ones are going up, the other one is going up. So these just are a few, and there are many others that move, in the same directions and also move in opposite directions. Then what is it here for you in risk management and ensuring that you make profit? We have this school of thoughts who advise that you trade positively correlated pairs that move in the same direction. So that if your analysis, sometimes you have an open position, maybe 3 open positions, 4 open positions at the same time. So that if one is correct, the rest are correct. You see, another will do an analysis on Euro USD, and there is a strong setup that suggests that the price for Euro USD is going to drop. So for some people, they don't need to do anything on the pound dollar. They just, doing another analysis on the pound dollar. As they're selling Euro USD, they're also selling pound dollar. All right. Okay. So that will help you if you are on that. If you are favored by that advice of trading positively correlated pairs, so that all your open positions must be in one direction. Meaning, if you are making money in one position, in all the other positions you are making money. But there is a risk to that. The risk would be that if you're running 3 positions at the same time and all of them are positively correlated, if you are wrong, all will be in negative. So we have this second, school of thought who suggests that you can trade both positively correlated pairs, maybe 2 positively correlated pairs with 1 negatively correlated pair. Maybe you are buying Euro USD and you're also buying the pound USD. You can come and again buy the USD JPY. And the reason is this: if you are wrong in your analysis, if your analysis for Euro USD and then the GBP USD is wrong, all right, meaning that if you bought them expecting that the price is going to rally and you entered in a buying position, all right, and you are wrong and it begins to sell because you are buying the USD JPY, all right, the USD JPY, because you're buying it, will automatically be buying. And what that does is to cushion your loss. It will help reduce the effects of the losses on these 2 running positions. But what I advise is it's up to you to make your choice. What I advise that the more you perfect your analytical ability of the market, your analysis, you perfect on your analysis and stick with your trading plan, I would advise I would advise, because you want to trade with precision, you want to trade with knowledge, you want to make profits, you're working on getting it right, even though you may not be right, in all your trading decisions. But as you strive for that perfection in trading decisions, my advice would be for you to trade positively correlated pairs and to reduce the number of positions. It may just be trading just 3 positions. Once you are right in one, all of them are in profits, and then make use of very good risk management techniques to ensure that you make profit, not just make profit in one and then the other one is in negative. And at the end of the day, you're just on zero. All right, if this video makes sense to you, we'd like you to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and then also click that alert bell so that you can be alerted when we have a new video uploaded on our channel. I will see you again in our next video. Thank you.